In the heart of Southern Illinois, 4 world-class AISIN facilities work together with a single purpose: to move the future forward. AISIN Manufacturing Illinois, AISIN Light Metals, AISIN Electronics Illinois, and the Marion Logistics Center form the foundation of AISIN Illinois, a network built on innovation, quality, and respect for people. The story of AISIN Illinois began in the late 1990s, when rumors spread of a major manufacturer considering Southern Illinois. In 1999, REDCO, the Regional Economic Development Corporation, was formed to make that vision a reality. 2 years later, REDCO representatives flew to Indiana to meet with AISIN. That meeting led to an agreement to bring AISIN to Marion, with 70 acres of land in the REDCO Industrial Park set aside for what would become AISIN Illinois. Our first facility, AISIN Manufacturing Illinois, opened in 2002 with 164,000 square feet of manufacturing space and around 200 team members. By 2004, AMI doubled its footprint with an additional 165,000 square feet. And in 2016, the operation grew again by repurposing a portion of the former Circuit City building for logistics operations. Today, AMI spans over 300,000 square feet and employs more than 1,200 people, producing nearly 50,000 automotive components each day, including sunroofs, door handles, adaptive aerodynamic systems, and molded exterior cosmetics for global customers like Toyota, GMC, Chevrolet, Lexus, Subaru, and Mercedes. In 2004, AISIN Light Metals became the second facility at AISIN Illinois. Starting with just 50 employees, ALM was AISIN's first aluminum extrusion plant outside of Japan, producing bumper reinforcements, brake system components, and more. A major expansion in 2016 added 72,000 square feet and more than doubled its workforce. Today, ALM operates approximately 200,000 square feet and employs around 375 people, producing over 500 tons of extruded aluminum each month for manufacturers like Toyota, Lexus, Dodge, Chrysler, and Honda. In 2005, AISIN Electronics Illinois joined the network. Originally 57,000 square feet with 65 employees, AEIL grew significantly with a major expansion in 2014, more than doubling its footprint. In 2022, production from Stockton, California was consolidated in Marion, centralizing AISIN's North American electronics operations. Today, AEIL spans roughly 166,000 square feet, employs around 700 people, and produces more than 70,000 electronic control units, sensors, and actuators every day, powering critical vehicle systems from power doors and steering to hybrid drivetrains. The newest addition to AISIN Illinois is the Marion Logistics Center, completed in 2024. This 463,000 square foot hub connects all 3 manufacturing plants, managing more than 8,000 containers and over 100 truck shipments daily through 75 dock doors. With 170 employees and electric semi-trucks already eliminating over 240 metric tons of CO2 each year, the MLC is leading the charge toward a more sustainable supply chain. Solar panel installation scheduled for 2026 will help power both MLC and ALM, advancing AISIN's environmental commitments. AISIN Illinois is more than manufacturing, it's community. Over the years, we've donated more than $1 million to local organizations, provided free primary health care to our team members through our on-site clinic, and partnered with schools and colleges across Southern Illinois to help build the skilled workforce of the future. Our payroll alone injects more than $120 million into the Southern Illinois economy annually. Together, our 4 facilities represent one vision, one commitment, one AISIN Illinois. With global reach and local roots, AISIN Illinois proudly serves our customers, our community, and our future.